I think it's helped us to touch different potential clients and one-to-one meetings, and it helped us to provide good discussions with them. So I can say that very productive. So the event helped us to reach our end users, potential clients, to good discussion between them. So our business related to quality and maintenance and IT departments, and this is good to reach the quality heads, maintenance department and IT departments. This is good to connect them in this event. For sure, I'm sure that we can participate in upcoming events in the future. Good organized and professional and also good potential.